Are you struggling to make money online with affiliate marketing and tired of wasting time on strategies that don't work? Stay tuned, because in this video, I'll show you how to make money with affiliate marketing. Even if you're starting with zero experience and no audience. Let's get straight into the video right now. Affiliate marketing has emerged as a powerful avenue for generating income, allowing individuals to earn commissions by promoting products or services from various companies. This method not only provides a flexible way to make money online but also empowers people to create their own business ventures without the need for significant upfront investment. Throughout this video, we will set the stage for a comprehensive step-by-step guide designed specifically for beginners. This guide will cover essential topics such as selecting the right niche, understanding affiliate networks, and implementing effective marketing strategies. By the end of this session, viewers will have a clear roadmap to start their own affiliate marketing journey, equipped with the tools and knowledge necessary to succeed. Affiliate networks serve as intermediaries between affiliates and merchants, playing a crucial role in the affiliate marketing ecosystem. Essentially, an affiliate network is a platform that connects individuals who want to promote products or services with companies looking to sell them. These networks provide affiliates with access to a wide range of products, tracking tools, and payment processing, making it easier for marketers to manage their campaigns and earnings. The importance of affiliate networks cannot be overstated, as they streamline the process of finding and promoting products, allowing affiliates to focus on marketing rather than logistics. Some of the most popular affiliate networks include Amazon Associates, known for its vast selection of products, and ClickBank, which specializes in digital products and offers high commission rates. When choosing the right affiliate network to join, it's essential to consider several factors. First, evaluate the types of products or services offered to ensure they align with your niche and audience. Next, look into the commission structure and payment terms, as these can vary significantly between networks. Additionally, consider the network's reputation and support services, as a reliable network can provide valuable resources and assistance as you navigate your affiliate marketing journey. By carefully selecting an affiliate network that fits your goals and interests, you can set yourself up for success in the competitive world of affiliate marketing, maximizing your earning potential while promoting products you believe in. Selecting the right product to promote is a critical step in your affiliate marketing journey, and it's essential to choose something you genuinely believe in. When you promote a product that resonates with you, your enthusiasm will shine through, making it easier to connect with your audience and build trust. This authenticity can significantly enhance your marketing efforts and lead to higher conversion rates. There are various types of products to consider for promotion, ranging from physical goods like electronics, clothing, and home decor to digital products such as ebooks, online courses, and software. Each category offers unique opportunities, so it's important to explore what aligns best with your interests and expertise. For instance, if you have a passion for fitness, promoting health supplements or workout programs could be a natural fit. Alternatively, if you're a tech enthusiast, you might consider promoting gadgets or software solutions. Encouraging viewers to align their interests with their product choices is vital for long-term success. When you choose products that reflect your passions, you'll find it easier to create engaging content and connect with your audience on a deeper level. Additionally, your personal experiences with the products can provide valuable insights that enhance your promotional efforts. Ultimately, selecting a product that resonates with you not only makes the marketing process more enjoyable, but also increases the likelihood of success, as your genuine belief in the product will resonate with potential customers. Joining the Amazon affiliate program is a straightforward process that can open up numerous opportunities for earning commissions through product promotion. To begin, navigate to the Amazon Associates homepage by searching for Amazon Affiliate Program in your web browser or visiting affiliateprogram.amazon.com. Once there, you'll find a prominent Join Now for Free button that will direct you to the Sign Up page. Creating an account requires some essential information. You'll need to provide your name, email address, and a password to set up your account. Additionally, Amazon will ask for details about your website or mobile app, including the web address and a brief description of your content. If you don't have a website yet, you can still sign up by using social media platforms or other online channels where you plan to promote products. Once your account is created, you can start exploring the vast array of products available for promotion. Potential earnings through the Amazon affiliate program can vary significantly, as commissions range from 1% to 10% depending on the product category. While this may seem modest, the sheer volume of products available means that even small commissions can add up quickly. However, it's important to note that there are limitations. For instance, you must generate at least 3 qualifying sales within the first 180 days to maintain your account. By understanding these aspects, you can effectively navigate the Amazon affiliate program and maximize your earning potential. ClickBank has established itself as a reputable and long-standing player in the affiliate marketing industry, making it a viable alternative for those looking to diversify their income streams. ClickBank has built a solid reputation for connecting affiliates with high-quality digital products, particularly in niches like health, fitness, and personal development. Its longevity in the market speaks volumes about its reliability and effectiveness, attracting both new and experienced marketers alike. To access the ClickBank marketplace, simply visit their website at clickbank.com and create a free account. The sign-up process is quick and straightforward, allowing you to start exploring the marketplace almost immediately. Once registered, you can log into your account and navigate to the marketplace section, where you'll find a vast array of products available for promotion. One of the standout features of ClickBank is the diversity of products it offers. Affiliates can choose from thousands of digital products, including ebooks, online courses, software, and membership sites, catering to a wide range of interests and audiences. This variety allows marketers to select products that align with their passions and expertise, enhancing their promotional efforts. Additionally, ClickBank often provides high commission rates, sometimes reaching up to 75%, making it an attractive option for those looking to maximize their earnings. By leveraging ClickBank's extensive marketplace, affiliates can find lucrative opportunities that suit their marketing strategies and target demographics. Generating affiliate links for products is a crucial step in your affiliate marketing journey, and the process is quite simple, especially with platforms like Amazon. To obtain an affiliate link from Amazon, first, log into your Amazon Associates account. Once you're in, navigate to the Amazon homepage and search for the product you wish to promote. When you find the product, click on it to access its details page. Here, you'll see a toolbar at the top of the page with an option that says Get Link. Click on this, and you'll be presented with various link options, including text links, image links, or a combination of both. Choose the format that best suits your promotional strategy, and simply copy the generated affiliate link. The significance of the affiliate link cannot be overstated, as it plays a vital role in tracking sales and ensuring you receive credit for any purchases made through your promotions. Each link is unique to your account, allowing Amazon to track the traffic and sales generated from your marketing efforts. This tracking is essential for calculating your commissions accurately. To maximize your earnings, it's important to use your affiliate links effectively in your promotions. Incorporate them into blog posts, social media updates, or email newsletters, ensuring they are placed naturally within your content. Additionally, consider using call-to-action phrases to encourage clicks. By strategically utilizing your affiliate links, you can enhance your chances of driving sales and increasing your income through affiliate marketing. Sharing affiliate links effectively is essential for maximizing your earning potential, and there are several platforms you can utilize to reach potential customers. One of the most effective methods is through email marketing. It's one of the key steps to learning how to make money with affiliate marketing. By building a mailing list, you can send targeted messages to your subscribers, sharing valuable content along with your affiliate links. This approach allows you to nurture relationships with your audience and provide them with tailored recommendations based on their interests. Social media platforms are another powerful avenue for sharing affiliate links. Whether it's through Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or Pinterest, these platforms offer vast audiences and the ability to engage with followers directly. Create engaging posts that highlight the benefits of the products you're promoting, and include your affiliate links in a way that feels natural and relevant to the content. Personal recommendations play a significant role in driving sales, as people are more likely to trust suggestions from individuals they know or follow. By sharing your genuine experiences with the products, you can build credibility and encourage your audience to make a purchase. It's crucial to communicate authentically with your audience. Share your honest opinions, successes, and even challenges related to the products you promote. This transparency fosters trust and encourages your audience to engage with your content. Remember, the goal is not just to sell but to provide value and build a community around shared interests. By employing these strategies, you can effectively share your affiliate links and increase your chances of generating sales while maintaining a genuine connection with your audience. Now that you have a solid foundation, I encourage you to take action and start implementing these strategies. We invite you to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments section below. Whether you have questions, success stories, or challenges you'd like to discuss, we'd love to hear from you. Remember, learning how to make money with affiliate marketing is just the first step. The real success comes when you take action. Thank you for watching.